I think that primarily it's been knowing that there's something beyond um, what we normally see and experience. I think the fact that there's a realm that exists that we can all access that allows us to be better people, that allows us to, um, I think, project something into the world that is other than our own individuality and our own fulfillment of our own needs, that is essentially, for the betterment of humanity. For my own, for myself, I think that part of that has been trying to give this experience to other people because I've seen what it's done for my life, and I think the notion that I can, by simply going within and touching a part of myself that is actually a more ideal version of what I want to be, in other words, the spirit, and that I can gradually become that. I want to share with others and help them to get to that state where they too can emit those qualities of the spirit into the world in a spontaneous fashion. Again, without practicing it or thinking about it or wishing you were more a certain way. You just become, and you begin to emit that into the world. So I feel like I've become more loving, I've become more compassionate, I've become less tied to the material world, and all of the things that we're taught in Western society are important, especially in America, which is the acquisition of things. Those really don't have much hold over me anymore because they're so transitory, and I place my security in other things. I think when people realize that their well-being doesn't have to be sacrificed on the altar of materialism or self-gratification or these things that are so temporary, it will make an unbelievable change in the way that the world works and what people want and expect from each other. It'll change the whole paradigm. I think bring about a shift whereby there is an expression of the more ideal qualities of humanity manifesting everywhere, and that certainly is my goal and will remain my goal for the remainder of my life.